The new Colorize filter in Photoshop allows you to quickly add color to a black and white photos. In this video, I'll show you how the filter works and how you can enhance the results by adding your own colors. I'll be using this photo that I downloaded. Check out the link in the description. But you can use any black and white image that you like. As you can see, it's a photo of these young ladies so cute. And I thought it would be a great image to try out this new feature. To try the automated colorize feature, you need to be in the RGB color mode. So make sure that you go into image and switch grayscale into RGB. Then go into filter neural filters. From here, you can click on the beta filters. And make sure that you select colorize and enable that. Photoshop will then use artificial intelligence to colorize the image. And for just one click, this is actually a really good result. And let me know what you think about this filter in the comments. Also, let me know what you think about the neural filters in general. And if this is your first time to Technology Con, then make sure that you click on that subscribe and notification button, so that you don't miss any new Photoshop tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again in the next Photoshop tutorial.